Today I'm going to talk about how we can integrate Authsignal MFA with Keycloak. I've got Authsignal's docs here, and under Platform Integrations there's a section called Keycloak. We're going to download both the Authsignal Keycloak provider and the Authsignal Java SDK. We'll grab the latest versions. Now in my Keycloak server, you'll notice that I've added a providers folder. To this folder, I've added both the Authsignal Java SDK that I just downloaded and also the Authsignal Keycloak provider. This is a pre-built provider by Authsignal, but it's open source, so you can modify this. In most cases, you won't need to modify it though, and for this demo, we're going to just use the pre-built version. So I've got my Keycloak server running. So I can jump over to the admin portal for Keycloak. Previously, I set up a realm and I named it Authsignal. So we can jump over to the authentication section. We're going to copy or duplicate the browser flow. So I'll copy that. And now we can remove the conditional OTP step. We're going to add a new step. So we're going to add the Authsignal Authenticator provider, and that's only available because we added the provider to the server previously. We're going to set that to required. Now we can configure this, so we can call that whatever we want. Now we're going to grab our API keys. So we need to put in our tenant secret key, and we also need to grab the API URL. And we're going to leave enroll by default on. Now we need to bind the flow, so we're going to bind it to the browser flow. Cool. Now in Authsignal, we need to configure our authenticators. So for this demo, we're just going to use the one authenticator app option. But as you can see, Authsignal provides a whole suite of different authenticators. So you can use different authenticator types. But yeah, for this, we're just going to use the authenticator app. Over here, I've pre-set up a user with username and password. We're going to use this user to log into our client. So this is taking me to the Authsignal Enroll in Authenticator app page. So I'll just enroll in OTP Authenticator now. So now this user is enrolled in MFA and they're logged in. So I'll sign out. Now I'll sign back in. And this time we'll be prompted for MFA. Now we're signed in. So that showed how we can use Authsignal's MFA with Keycloak.